Healing often comes from small, nurturing daily rituals. Tonight, I'll share a simple bedtime drink that helps your body repair, mind unwind, and spirit rest. If you're over 60, you've likely noticed your body recovers differently. Sleep is lighter, energy fades, and joints ache longer. Our body's natural healing slows with age, but nature offers gentle ways to restore it. The secret begins with what you drink before bed. Imagine holding a warm cup. Its aroma is soothing, earthy, and sweet. As you sip, your body relaxes and your heart slows. This isn't just a drink. It's a nightly reset telling your body, it's time to heal now. This recipe has been used across cultures, from Ayurvedic to Japanese and European traditions. It's simple, natural, and effective. Key ingredients are turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and warm milk. Turmeric, with its golden glow, is like the sun's warmth in a spice. It contains curcumin, known for anti-inflammatory and healing effects, improving joint mobility, reducing stiffness, and boosting brain health for seniors. Turmeric works through the night, repairing micro-damage and easing inflammation. Cinnamon, a sweet spice, helps regulate blood sugar and improve circulation. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar fluctuations, supporting a calm, stable night's rest. Ginger, a warming root, soothes the stomach, improves digestion, and strengthens the immune system. Ginger calms your gut, ensuring restful sleep without discomfort. Milk, nature's comfort food, is rich in tryptophan, which helps produce serotonin and melatonin for mood and sleep regulation. Whether cow's, almond, oat, or coconut milk, its warm, creamy texture signals your body to unwind. To prepare this elixir, pour 1 cup of milk into a small saucepan. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of cinnamon, and a small slice of fresh ginger. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Cool slightly, then strain into your cup. Add a teaspoon of honey for taste, liver detox, and enhanced calming properties. Simple, natural, and effective. The magic begins after you drink it. As you sleep, this blend calms inflammation, soothes muscles, and regenerates cells. Over time, your sleep will be deeper, mornings lighter, and energy steadier. Many seniors report improved digestion, mood, and peaceful sleep. This drink works with your body's natural healing rhythm. Sleep is crucial for repair. Your heart slows, breathing deepens, and brain clears toxins. Healing requires calm, warmth, and nourishment. This drink signals your body to relax with its gentle warmth. Turmeric and cinnamon activate anti-inflammatory pathways. Ginger aids digestion, and milk provides amino acids for melatonin release. Together, they form a healing symphony. Better sleep means faster healing from daily wear and tear. Your heart strengthens, immune system recharges, memory sharpens, and mood improves. This nightly ritual allows your body to heal. Here are a few tips for greater effectiveness. Drink it 30 to 45 minutes before bed for absorption without fullness. Dim lights, avoid screens, and play soft music as you sip. Create a moment of peace. Make it a habit. Consistency is key for healing through sleep. 30 nights can change your life. After 2 to 3 weeks, you may fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake refreshed. Joint pain may lessen, and skin may look clearer and more radiant due to proper rest and circulation. Such a simple act brings deep transformation. Nature restores without rushing. Healing is about nurturing balance, giving your body warmth, nourishment, and rest. Tonight, holding that cup, remember you're honoring your body with kindness and care. Imagine waking tomorrow, sunlight filling your room. You stretch, feeling lighter, clearer, and calmer. That's nature's gentle, profound medicine. Make this your nightly ritual. Start tonight. Let every sip remind you your best years are unfolding, full of peace, strength, and renewal. If helpful, subscribe to Life Begins at 60 for natural ways to restore health, energy, and happiness after 60. Your golden years should feel golden. Thank you. Sleep peacefully, heal deeply, and remember your body knows how to repair itself. Good night, and may your healing begin tonight.